Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys some of the lenses that were sent to me by the brand JUST4KIRA. So I will be doing an unboxing and then I'll show how I prepare the lenses before I wear them. I will be also trying the lenses on camera so you guys can see how the lenses look on my dark brown eyes, and by the end of the video I will also share my thoughts on the lenses. So the lenses come in this beautiful holographic packaging, and now I will just show you all the lenses, like all the shades that they have sent to me. And they have also sent a few of these transparent lens cases, which is so great because all of these lens cases come with a tweezer and a lens applicator. So if you have like longer fingernails, this applicator will be so handy for you. To neutralize your contacts, you'll need a multi-purpose solution and a case. I'm using the tweezer to take out the contacts, and I will be soaking them into the solution for at least 6 to 8 hours. You can do overnight, which is even better. First one is Sita Hazel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and it's a beautiful hazel shade. It's not the most natural one, but somehow I really like it. I really feel like it's giving my eye that doll eye kind of effect, and it also made my eye look a little bit more awake and bigger. All of these lenses are going to make my eyes look bigger because they are bigger in dimension. So here's the before and after comparison for you guys to see. Now I'm going to be wearing Nila Brown. Now this one is actually a bit more natural than the previous one, even though it has this ring thing that I really don't like about contacts, to be honest, but it does look very natural in person than it is looking on camera. But I think I like the previous one more than this one. I'm going to be wearing SL29 green, and to be honest, out of all the lenses that I've tried today, this is the one that I liked the most. This is so natural looking, it's so beautiful. I cannot, like, you just have to wear it to see it, how good it is. Like, my eyes are so dark brown, but it covered it completely, but still ended up looking so natural. I cannot express how much I like this one. I will be wearing this a lot. Crystal green is also one of my favorites out of all the lenses that I've tried. This is very similar to the previous one, but it has a ring around it, which I don't mind because somehow the ring is blending well with my actual color, so it's fading well. I think green and brown contacts look really good on medium to deeper skin tone, so I'm really liking these, like especially this one and the previous one. Next I'm trying crystal gray. I also like this one very much, but I don't know why, but whenever I wear gray contacts, they look a little bit bluish on my eye for some reason. I think my eye color is like very dark for the gray to show up or something, but whenever I try gray contacts, they look a little bit bluish on me, which I don't really like. But this one I don't mind. This one somehow is looking really nice on me. Now I'm going to be trying SL70 blue. Now I don't like blue contacts. Like in general, I don't like the color blue when it comes to contacts, but If you are a fan of blue contacts, definitely try them because they're natural looking, of course, but I just feel they clash with my skin tone. I think this would look natural on somebody who has a more lighter skin tone or has lighter eyes, but on me, I don't see myself wearing them. I really liked these contacts. They feel very comfortable. They like you cannot really feel that you're wearing contacts, which is the best part for me. Since I have sensitive eyes, if I wear contacts that are very thick or feel very, some of the lenses that you can actually feel when you're wearing them, I cannot wear those lenses. But these feel very soft and you cannot even tell that you're wearing contacts. It's just they're that soft, and they also look natural. Some of the lenses are so very much natural, like you just have to find the one that you might like. And yeah, I highly recommend you. I have listed all the contacts in the description with timestamps, so it's easier for you to see which one is which. And also I have a discount code if I have not mentioned it yet. My discount code is �ORNI20 and it will save you 20% off of your purchase. Let me know in the comments, out of the 6 contacts, which one did you like the most. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!